Welcome to the path of ancient energy. Qi is the invisible life force that flows through all things, sustaining health, vitality, and balance. For centuries, masters have cultivated this power to heal the body and calm the mind. Today, we begin your journey into energy mastery. Before we can project energy, we must first learn to feel its presence. Qi is not just a concept, it is a tangible physical sensation. Look around you. Nature is the ultimate source of qi. By aligning ourselves with the natural world, we tap into an infinite reservoir of power. The first step is the Wuji stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Let your knees soften, becoming slightly bent and resilient. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. This is grounding. You are becoming a conduit for terrestrial energy. Allow this energy to pull in your lower Dantian, located 3 finger widths below your navel. This is your primary energy center. Now focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. This is diaphragmatic breathing, the engine of truth. With every exhale, release tension from your shoulders and neck. Tension is a blockage. Relaxation is the key to unimpeded energy flow. To activate the hands, we must open the Lao Gong points. Start by rubbing your palms together vigorously to generate friction and heat. As the heat builds, stop and slowly pull your palms apart. You may feel a tingling sensation or a subtle magnetic pull between them. This is your qi. It responds to your intention. Visualize a ball of golden light forming between your hands, growing brighter with every breath. Now, prepare to project this energy. Bring your awareness from your Dantian up your spine and down through your arms into your palms. Slowly push your palms forward. Do not use muscle force. Use your intent. Let the energy flow out like a wave of light. Feel the connection between your hands and the environment. You are releasing life force into the world, harmonizing the space around you. To conclude, bring your hands back to your Dantian. Close your eyes and allow the remaining energy to settle back into your core. Consistent practice is the key to mastery. Even 5 minutes a day will transform your health and deepen your connection to the universe. May your qi be strong and your spirit clear. Carry this peace with you throughout your day. Until we meet again on the path.